If you're looking on how to get stacked modded accounts for GTA 5 Online for Xbox, PlayStation, and PC, make sure you check out Messy Modding. If you want to know more about it, stay to the end of the video or skip to the end. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own modded cars in GTA 5 Online with dope modded paint jobs, F1s, Bennies, green tints, yank tints, all that good stuff. I'll be showing you guys on how to get them in today's video. If you guys do want to know how to make your own modded car, make sure you stay to the end of the video because by the end of the video, you're going to be able to have your own modded car in GTA 5 Online. So I highly recommend you stay to the end. And if you do enjoy today's video, can you go ahead and drop a like? It takes you about 1 second to go ahead and drop a like. So can we hit 300 likes on today's video? And if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button with notifications on to never miss out on a future video. And let's go ahead and get into it. Now, before we do go and start, I need to go and tell you guys the things we're going to need to go ahead and make our modded cars in GTA 5 Online. So, all you're going to need is pretty much a vehicle that has F1s and Bennies. Now, if you don't have any vehicle that has F1s or Bennies, do not worry. I'm going to be showing you guys how to get them later in the video. Now, the second requirement you will need is to pretty much have a decent amount of cash. Now, if you don't have the Bennies or a F1 car already, I recommend you to have at least $1 million all the way to $3 million to go ahead and mod these cars. Now, if you already have an F1 or a Benny's car, then I would recommend you like $100,000 to $300,000 would be good enough and enough for you to mod these cars and make them modded, okay? But those are going to be all the things we're really going to need to go ahead and make our cars modded, and let's go ahead and begin now. So to go and begin, I'm going to show you guys how to mod a vehicle Benny's first, okay? So as you guys can see, my LG Retro customer here is the Benny's car. It already has Benny's, a modded paint job, green tints, all that stuff. So if you don't have a vehicle that already has Benny's on it, pull up your phone, come over to travel and transport, and all you want to do is go and select the Benny's original motorworks right here. Once here, come over to stock with the little star icon, and pretty much all you want to do is go buy any one of these vehicles right here except the motorcycles. Do not buy the motorcycles because those don't have Bennies, okay? So buy any one of these other vehicles right here that you see, any of the other cars. Now if you do want to get the same one as me, you can go and buy that one called the LG RHA, which is pretty much free, but when you go and purchase it at the Bennies, it's going to be 900,000, okay? So you can get it for free, but to upgrade it to the LG Retro custom version to put the Bennies on, it's going to cost you about 900,000. You can go and switch it at Benny's original motorworks located right here in the city, closest city I'd say. But yeah, pretty much you just take your LG RHA in there, you upgrade the vehicle, and then you get your vehicle turned into the LG Retro custom, which is this one, okay? Once you have the LG Retro custom or whichever version of the Benny vehicle that you bought, all you want to do now is take it into any Benny's original motorworks. Well, not really any, there's only one in the game, but pretty much head over to that, or if you already have one inside of your arena, you can use that one as well. So yeah, as you guys can see, as I said, my vehicle's already modded, but just imagine this vehicle was pretty much stocked out. Okay, just imagine that. I'll be showing you guys like how to mod it, okay? So take it into Benny's original or your arena if you do have Benny's inside of there. Now all you want to do is to start off is go to the wheels, because the wheels are like the most important, and like second important is like the paint job, okay? So come over to your wheels, and there's gonna be two Benny's original wheels, okay? There's gonna be the Benny originals and then the Benny bespoke. Those are like the worst ones. Don't get these unless you have like some crazy car idea that requires these wheels, then be my guest. But these are probably the ugliest wheels compared to the Benny originals, okay? So Benny originals, these are one of my favorites, okay? Like look how nice these look, amazing. You can put these wheels on almost any vehicle and they would just look superb. Now personally, my favorite are gonna be the ones called the spindle wheels, okay, which are gonna be these ones right here. These rims go amazingly good with JDMs, sport cars, supercars. Almost these rims right here can probably go on any vehicle and they would look amazing, okay? So yeah, that's my personal opinion, but pretty much select any rims or Benny rims that you like, okay? For me, I'm gonna keep the spindles that I already have, okay? Now all I want to do is back out, pretty much come over to wheel color and select any wheel color that you pretty much want. So if your car was like white, go put maybe like white rims or orange rims or whatever paint job rims you want, okay? Select whichever one, but for me I already have ice white rims, so I'm gonna keep those. Now all you want to do is come over here to your not colors, I mean colors. You want to come over to your tires and tire design, and all you want to do is select whichever tire design that you want, okay? Whichever one, doesn't matter. For me, I go with the retro white wall because they look amazing In my opinion, I love them. One of my favorite tire designs, okay? So yeah, go and put those on, or whichever tire designs you want. And yeah, now for the tire smoke, for me, I put my crew smoke because it is a modded purple. You can't just get this modded paint job regularly by putting the hex code. This one, you're gonna have to go ahead and glitch it to get this modded paint job, okay? So it is a modded paint job, so I put that for my smoke as well. Now once you have the wheels done, we're now onto our paint job, okay? The paint job is like second most important thing, because people first, they see the wheels and then they see the paint job, okay? Or maybe vice versa, but I would say they're equally the same, okay? So I'm gonna be showing you guys this one modded paint job you can go ahead and put on your vehicles, okay? If you want to get the same one as me with this dope modded paint job, let me just go and remove it real quick, show you guys how to put it on. So as you guys can see, it's all black now. All you want to do is go ahead and do two things. You can put the hex code you see up on the screen right here, or watch this video on how to go and put it in, because you have to glitch it. Pretty much watch that video and then come back once you have the crew color, or you can join my crew, but I think all my crews are full. But if you want to join up, link is in the description, okay? But pretty much just put the crew for your primary, secondary, and then come over to your primary again, and then put on an ultra blue as your pearlescent, and then you get this dope looking amazing modded paint job right here. One of my favorites. I literally put this on all my cars, and it just looks amazing, okay? And the thing about this modded paint job right here, it's a two-tone modded paint job. So pretty much what that means is, if you go and drive the car out in daylight, it's gonna be very, very light purple, almost a pink type of color. Now if you go and drive the same exact car in the shade, or maybe in nighttime, your other car is gonna be very, very dark purple, almost dark blue type of paint job. So that's what I mean when it's modded. It's a two-tone type of paint job. So that's what's one of my favorite paint jobs in GTA. Now the next thing we want to go and change up to make it look modded is to go and get our license plates, okay? So if you want to go and get your own custom license plate in GTA 5 Online, you can go and watch this video up here. I pretty much show you how to make your own custom plates, such as Lil Uzi, Time YT, Time, YouTuber, and etc. So let's say your username is Bob the Builder, okay? And you want to get your custom plate saying Bob the Builder in GTA, you can literally do that. So if you want to know how to make your own custom plate, go watch this video up here. Now if you want to go and get the Yankton plate, there's only two ways I really know personally right now on how to get Yankton plates. Is first off to trade a car, so get a car from someone that already has Yanktons on it, or if you are on PlayStation, you can go ahead and do Save Wizard. So that's one way you can go and get Yankton plates, but Save Wizard is like 50 bucks, so it's really not worth it. I'd recommend just trade a car from someone that already has the Yanktons. And if you want to do trade, you can join my Discord down below in the description. There's tons of people trading every single day on my Discord server, so yeah, you can join up. But yeah, that's how you pretty much get your custom plates saying whatever you want. For me, I'd say Time YT. Now next up, I'd say we're pretty much done. After you change the wheels, all that good stuff, you're literally done. Windows, you can put on a tint if you want to. And yeah, as I said, my green tint it's because I already traded this car with someone, and they already had like green tints and all that and Yankton plate on this vehicle, so I really don't got to do all that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If I am missing anything, let me know, but I think got everything. That's pretty much it modded. So your car should be looking similar to this, or a little similar. I know that you might not pick the same paint job as me, but that's one way you can go ahead and mod your car, make it look modded. So we're pretty much done. As you guys can see, nice paint job, nice rims, good Yankton plates, and yeah, well, custom plate. So yeah, you're pretty much done once you go and mod this car. Now we are not done yet. If you want to go ahead and, let's say, merge these mods that you put on this vehicle onto a different vehicle, okay? For example, I want to go and put my LG Retro custom upgrades onto, let's say, the Granger right next to me. Pretty much all you got to do is just do the Benny/F1 merge glitch, okay? If you don't know how to do the Benny/F1 merge glitch, all you want to do is go and watch this video up here, and I pretty much show you how to merge the car to other vehicles. So yeah, you can do that method to merge these modifications from your LG Retro custom or whichever Benny's cars you have, then you can merge them to other cars. So yeah, now we're pretty much done with the modded car part for the Benny's. Now I'm going to show you guys how to mod F1 wheels, so let's get it. Now next up, we're going to have the F1s, which I'm going to be modding and show you guys how to mod them. Now pretty much everything we did from the Benny's is just copy and paste onto the F1 car. Now if you don't know how to get your own F1 car, all you want to do is pull up your phone and come over here to Legendary Motorsports. Once you're on Legendary Motorsports, come all the way to the right where it says special, and all you got to do is purchase any one of these F1 cars. Now any one of these, does not matter which one, you can get the most expensive, most cheapest, mid-range price, whatever, it does not matter, it doesn't affect the wheels at all. So for me, I'm gonna go with the DR1 right over here. So this is it, because it's $3 million, it's super cheap and all that. And plus, I already have it right here. So once you go and buy yourself your own F1 car and it gets delivered, all you want to do now is go and take it to Los Santos Customs, or you just can take it to whatever one of your auto shops. So you can take it to your agency garage, your Reno workshop, whatever workshop you have, you can take it there to mod it, okay? So, and also, I know you're seeing Benny wheels right now, and I know these are like modded Bennies and all that, but just imagine these Bennies right here you're seeing are F1s, okay? Because I'm still going to be showing you guys how to like get F1 wheels, because surprisingly, not a lot of people know how to get F1s, even though you can literally just buy the car and get F1s. But yeah, so come over to wheels, come over to wheel type, race, and then once here, this is where the biggest problem happens, okay? As you can see right here, say stock wheels. These are the stock wheels, because on my previous Benny such F1 merge glitch videos, a lot of people have been messaging me or dropping comments saying I merge F1s, but I don't get the F1s, I get stock wheels. It is because you have stock wheels, okay? So for us to go and fix that problem, all you want to do is go ahead and literally select any other F1 wheels except the stock wheels, okay? So as you guys can see, you got the classic 5s right here, you got the triple X, you got the speedsters, whatever F1 wheels you want, go and put those on. Except don't put the stock wheels, okay? And that's how you fix the problem. So once you have that, pretty much go and put on the paint job you want. Now for me, I'm not gonna put no paint job because these are chameleons and they're pretty rare. So yeah. Next up, you just want to go and put a tire design on those F1s of yours. And yeah. Now, next up, all we got to do is pretty much go ahead and do the paint job. And for the paint job, you can literally do the same thing I showed you earlier on how to get the modded paint job. So you can do that. Or if you want to get your own modded paint job, you can watch this video up here. But yeah, that's really it for the F1s. The F1s, it's really none too much, because F1s you really can't put custom plates or window tints because there are no windows and there are no plates. So for the F1s, all you literally gotta do is just switch out pretty much the paint job and the rims, and that's it. And as I said, if you want to get your own paint jobs, you can watch this video up here. I show you guys how to get multiple paint jobs, okay? So once you're done making those vehicles, you're pretty much done. Now if you want to, you can merge those modded cars to other vehicles. So for example, as you can see my LG Retro Custom, I pretty much moved all those customizations onto my Cyclone 2 and my Wagner. Now I know the F1 wheels, I mean the Benny wheels are different, but it's because I changed the Bennies on the LG Retro Custom and then merged them onto this one. And vice versa. So pretty much if you want to get your F1s onto other vehicles, let's say I want to get my F1s onto my LG Retro Custom, all you gotta do is pretty much do the Benny/F1 merge glitch, and then you can transfer them to other vehicles. If you want to know how to do that, you can watch this video up here or go to the description, and I literally show you how to do the Benny/F1 merge glitch, so you can go and merge these vehicles to other cars. And also, if you do want to go and trade cars with other people, make sure you join my Discord down below in the description, because there's tons of people trading every single day on my Discord server. So you can find other people with better modded cars or people looking for modded cars, and then you guys can just go and trade whatever you guys want to do. But hope you guys did enjoy today's video. Hopefully this here helps you make your own modded car or your first modded car in GTA 5 Online. So if you guys did, make sure you go and drop a like. Can we hit 300 likes on today's video? It literally takes you a second to drop a like. And if you are new to the channel, hit that sub button with notifications on. And Samzan, sign out. Peace. If you're trying to get stacked modded accounts in GTA 5 Online for PlayStation, Xbox, and PC, and also be trustworthy, make sure you go and check out Nejisvoid, because they sell modded accounts for all platforms, for even on new gen consoles. So if you play on Series X, S, or PlayStation 5, you can also get modded accounts from them. And the best thing about them, I've worked with them previously in the past, and they even have 1,000 reviews on their website. So make sure you go and check out Nejisvoid down below in the description for the best modded accounts in GTA 5 Online for all platforms, and also with trust. So make sure you go and check out Nejisvoid down below in the description, and Samzan, sign out. Peace.